Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix preparing update. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, when you try to install iOS 18 and it's stuck on preparing update, and I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, first of all, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the setting first. Now let me tell you that what you have to do is just simply have to make sure that you're properly connected with internet. So from here guys, you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 30 or 40 seconds, and this just simply have to turn this off. So guys, if you're connected with Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data or vice versa, and if you're connected with VPN, disconnect with the VPN. And after that guys, tap on general, scroll down, tap on date and time, and make sure that your date and time is correct. And after that guys, go back. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to iPhone storage. So guys, if you have not enough storage in your iPhone, maybe that's why it's not working. So let me tell you that you should have 4 GB storage in your iPhone. Okay guys, so guys, if you don't have, just simply have to delete some unnecessary apps. Okay guys, so you have to delete some unnecessary apps, and after deleting the apps guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Now open the settings. So guys, let me tell you that you have to tap on general again. Now from here guys, you have to tap on software update. Now from here guys, you have to turn on automatic updates. Okay guys, so let me tell you that what you have to do is just simply have to download the install profiles, and after that guys, restart your device and then reinstall it again, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.